remind us what our message said today about what we were going to be doing in writing workshop? Nathaniel? That's right, we're going to write all news stories about our family so that we can share them at our author's tea. Now, I called Micah up here because Micah's weekend share yesterday was really interesting. Micah, can you remind us what your weekend share was about?
That I went to a circus.
Can you tell us a little bit more about it?
First we saw a man going on lines, and he did a flip on the lines.
Cool.
And I wasn't looking, but I saw part of it.
What else did you see at the circus?
The last thing we saw was a man going on these big blankets that were hanging down. He did a flip too, a big flip.
That's pretty cool. Who was at the circus with you?
My mom and Malachi and baby Amaya.
Was anybody else there? Was
No.
your Tia there?
No,
How about
that was on Monday.
Okay. So Micah told us this story yesterday during Weekend Share, and he was so excited to tell us about it that he told us all those details. Do you think that's a story, Micah, that you can write about today? Yeah? So just like Micah shared during Weekend Share, or when we do storytelling, those stories that happen to us that we're so excited to talk about and tell our friends about are things that we can turn into stories and put on paper. So Micah, is that going to be your story today? Excellent. Give me a thumbs up if you think you have a story idea that you can write about something that you did with your families. It might be something that you shared during your Weekend Share yesterday. It might be something that you shared during Weekend Share last Monday. It might be something that happened yesterday, something that you're excited to talk about just the way that Micah was would be a really good idea for a story. All right, thanks Micah. You can go ahead and